This event is sponsored by B Residences.
Congratulations to our team. Consistent na nasa top 1, 2, 3. Congratulations and welcome to our training. And I hope na daghan mo ma-learn.
Mentioning about your credentials earlier, your professions are actually far from dealing with real estate, no? So, why did you join Filipino Homes, and what was your motivation?
I really find complete happiness whenever I spend time with my family. I think at that time, if I join Filipino Homes, I can do that as often as I can.
I just want to have a car, and which is non-acute, alright? And after 60 years, finally my mom makabalay na gid me.
Wow!
Yeah.
Ang motivation is na-sustain gyud ang amuang katong financial needs after that through Filipino Homes to be a millionaire and to provide the needs of my children because I have 3 kids.
Your first motivation was to purchase your own property. Were you able to do that through Filipino Homes?
Yeah, I did.
I hope everyone is having a good time. Mo po na usa sa kong dream to speak here in front. How to market a condominium. How to be a real estate superstar.
So I've been with real estate since 2014. So my name is Rika, I'm handling rector. And di lang ko kila akong sale. But I've closed more than enough na makaingon ko nga my life right now changed because of Filipino Homes.